Hey guys, welcome to this video lesson on academic vocabulary. In tests like IELTS or TOEFL, you often meet topics such as architecture, design, and construction. So today, we're going to cover vocabulary around this topic. The 7 words in this video lesson come from Cambridge IELTS 1. Let's get started. So the first word in today's video is steel. It means a strong metal that is used for making vehicles and buildings. Let's look at an example. Guitar strings nowadays are made from steel or nylon. In this picture, you can see strings made of steel. And another example, a magnet attracts steel. Steel has become part of our daily life. Think of steel pans and knives that we use in cooking. The next word is cement, which is a gray powder that sets hard when it is mixed with water. You can see in this picture that the texture of cement is powder. Example, cement is used in building to stick stones and bricks together and to make very hard surfaces. Don't walk on the wet cement. Another word which is similar is concrete. Concrete is a building material that is made by mixing together cement, sand, small stones, and water. In other words, if you mix these 4 ingredients, you will get concrete, and that's what you can see in this picture. Let's look at 2 examples. Before the concrete sets, the surface can be given a final smoothing over. That means before the concrete gets hard, the surface can be made smoother. Concrete walls have become a stylish element of interior design. You can see concrete walls in this picture. Now let's look at an example sentence from Cambridge IELTS. Architects began to explore ways of creating buildings by using the latest technology and materials such as steel, glass, and concrete strengthened steel bars, known as reinforced concrete. Let's look at the next word, and it is high-rise. High-rise is a building that is very tall and has a lot of floors. You can see high-rise buildings in this picture. Now, mind that high-rise can be used both as a noun and as an adjective. Let's look at some examples. He lives in a high-rise overlooking the ocean. These high-rise apartment blocks were built in the 1980s. The opposite is low-rise. You can see that the building in this picture is a low-rise building. There's the word skyscraper, which means a very tall high-rise. So basically, the buildings in this picture you can call skyscrapers. Let's look at an example sentence. Mass-produced, low-cost high-rises seemed to offer a solution to the problem of housing growing inner-city population. Next up is the word demolish, which means to knock down or destroy a building. Demolish is a verb. Let's look at some examples. The old sports center is due to be demolished next year. Tornadoes demolished trailers and blew roofs of houses. Demolition is the noun form. Demolition. For example, the project required the total demolition of the old bridge. And let's look at an example sentence from Cambridge IELTS. Many of these buildings were poorly designed and constructed and have since been demolished. That is all for today. I hope it was useful. Try making your own examples using these words. They will not only help you in reading and listening, but also in writing and speaking sections. I wish you good luck with your practice. See you in the next video.